Hello guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, all over the world. Sorry po hindi ako nakapag short video the last 4 days or 3 days kasi medyo busy at saka hindi pa rin umabot sa 50 yung viewers ko, yung subscribers ko. Kasi nga, yung iba naman kasi tinatanong na, ano to, what is this, we not understand, like this one. So I just saying that, please just subscribe so I can continue and proceed for the YouTube live. So after that one, if I will reach 50 subscribers, then I will start my real talk in live. So, kaya yun. Kaya, hintay-hintay lang tayo ha.